Let me take you straight to Kolkata and get you the latest. Mamata Banerjee was at the Victoria Memorial, and this is where Netaji's 125th birth anniversary celebrations were being celebrated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was there. The governor of West Bengal was there. There were several VVIPs. Indian National Army veterans and their kin were there. And on live television, the moment Mamata Banerjee was invited to speak, there were chants of Jai Shri Ram from a corner in the audience, and Mamata Banerjee got extremely angry. She said, this is not a political event. This is a government function. You cannot invite me and insult me. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee refused to address the event after chants of Jai Shri Ram. She lashed out at the crowd. Mamata Banerjee said, a government event cannot be politicized. She called this heckling an insult and walked off in protest without delivering her speech. The BJP, meanwhile, has hit back at Mamata Banerjee, accusing her of disregarding icons of Bengal.
नहीं, मेरे को तो लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम का कोई डिग्निटी होना चाहिए। एक गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम है, कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का प्रोग्राम नहीं है, और पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का और पब्लिक का प्रोग्राम है। मैं तो आभारी हूं प्रधानमंत्री जी का, कल्चरल मिनिस्ट्री का, कि आप लोगों ने कोलकाता में प्रोग्राम बनाया, लेकिन किसी को आमंत्रण करके, निमंत्रित करके उसको बेइज्जत करना ये आपको शोभा नहीं देता है। मैं फिर आप लोगों को कहेंगे, ऑन प्रोटेस्ट ऑफ दैट आई एम नॉट टेलिंग एनीथिंग। जय हिंद, जय बांग्ला।
And Bharatiya Janata Party's co-in-charge of West Bengal, Amit Malviya, now joins me on India Today. Amit Malviya, Mamata Banerjee says you cannot invite me for a government function and then insult me on chants of Jai Shri Ram.
Understand how Jai Shri Ram can be an insult to anybody. Lord Ram is the central figure of India's consciousness, and if these slogans are raised, there can be nothing objectionable. And Mamata Banerjee is a seasoned politician. She should know how to handle these occasions. But this is not the first time. She did not participate in the Vishwa Bharati centenary celebrations. It was an insult to Rabindranath Tagore. And now, by not delivering her speech on the anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, she's done the same. She continues to disregard and disrespect the icons of West Bengal, and people are not going to take this lightly.
But Amit Malviya, the Trinamool Congress says that this is heckling. You heard what Nusrat Jahan tweeted just a short while back, and they are extremely upset by what's happening here in this country. And let me get you what Nusrat Jahan has just tweeted a short while back. Nusrat Jahan went on to say कि Jai Shri Ram कहना है तो गले लगाकर कहना है. What is this heckling all about?
Well, if that is the TMC's view, then there was no reason for Mamata Banerjee to walk off in a huff. She should have embraced the people who raised that slogan. She should have taken it in good spirit, delivered her speech. After all, the occasion was bigger than her whimsical attitude. This is nothing but a disregard for Bengal's icons who are revered by everybody in India. Mamata Banerjee is not doing any service to the office that she is holding by behaving in the manner that she is.
But sir, the point that is being raised is, at a government function to celebrate the life of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, should there be religious sloganeering?
Well, I am asking you a counter question. What is objectionable about Jai Shri Ram? Lord Ram is the central figure of this country. What is the problem if this slogan is raised? After all, people who are attending there are people who are from the state of Bengal, who have their own sense of propriety, and they haven't said anything that's objectionable or even offensive. Mamata Banerjee is the only one who found it offensive. Why?
Okay. You say that there is nothing, you don't think there's anything offensive at a government event where the Prime Minister is there, where the governor of a state are there, where the union ministers is, she perceived it, or the Trinamool Congress perceives this as heckling at a government event takes away from the sanctity of the event, according to those who support Mamata Banerjee, saying, "I'm walking off the stage without delivering her speech, sir"?
Well, that is only the TMC cadres who have no other option but to support Mamata Banerjee. Anybody watching this has seen how ungraceful the Chief Minister has been.
Okay, Amit Malviya, stay with me for a moment. Let's listen into Mamata Banerjee once again. We're also having the Trinamool Congress join us in a moment. I'll get you more on this big story.
नहीं, मेरे को तो लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम का कोई डिग्निटी होना चाहिए। एक गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम है, कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का प्रोग्राम नहीं है, और पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का और पब्लिक का प्रोग्राम है। मैं तो आभारी हूं प्रधानमंत्री जी का, कल्चरल मिनिस्ट्री का, कि आप लोगों ने कोलकाता में प्रोग्राम बनाया, लेकिन किसी को आमंत्रण करके, निमंत्रित करके उसको बेइज्जत करना ये आपको शोभा नहीं देता है। मैं फिर आप लोगों को कहेंगे, ऑन प्रोटेस्ट ऑफ दैट आई एम नॉट टेलिंग एनीथिंग। जय हिंद, जय बांग्ला।
Okay, Mamata Banerjee miffed with this. Amit, stay with me. Amit Malviya, I request you to stay with me for a moment. I have Professor Makhan Lal, he's a historian, he's with me on the broadcast. I have General Gurmeet Singh, former Additional Director General of Military Operations, with me on the broadcast. India Today's Poulomi Saha joins me on the broadcast. Poulomi, what more have you been able to pick up? Why did Mamata Banerjee suddenly get so miffed at this event?
Well, from what we witnessed and from what we understand, Gaurav, what happened is that there was some sloganeering that was happening at the time that the Chief Minister of West Bengal was called up to the dais to address the crowd over there. It kind of grew a little louder as she walked up to the mic, to take to the mic and speak. And that's when she said that a government program has its own dignity, and this is not how it should be. This is not a political party's program, and one cannot be invited and then disrespected. She of course thanked the Prime Minister for holding this program, this commemorative ceremony in Kolkata, but then she said that because she felt disrespected, she would not speak any further.
Poulomi, stay with me for a moment. I have TMC MP Dola Sen joining me on the broadcast. Dola Sen, in your view, what exactly happened that Mamata Banerjee got so upset? The BJP is saying, why should anyone get upset by hearing Jai Shri Ram? Anil Vij, BJP minister in Haryana, says Jai Shri Ram to Mamata Banerjee is like red rag to a bull.
ये कोई आपको सुनाई दे रहा है? हेलो?
जी मैम.
आपको सुनाई दे रहा है?
Ma'am, I can hear you loud and clear.
ये कोई अपसेट होने का बात नहीं है. ये कोई अपसेट होने का बात नहीं है. पॉइंट इज क्लियर. प्राइम मिनिस्टर और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हमारे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर को इनवाइट किया गया. आज सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी, नेताजी जी का 125th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी था, इसीलिए कलकत्ता में प्रोग्राम रचाया गया. एंड ममता जी ने सिर्फ अपसेट का तो बात ही नहीं है, सवाल ही नहीं है. ममता जी उठ के ये भी बोला कि हम आभारी हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी के और पूरा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की कि कोलकाता में इसी तरह का प्रोग्राम कर रहा है और बुलाया गया ममता जी को. लेकिन ये कोई पॉलिटिकल प्रोग्राम नहीं था, ये गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम था. नेताजी की रिस्पेक्ट करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम था. उधर वाइज स्लोगन है, कॉन्शियसली इंटेंशनली ये स्लोगन दिया गया ममता जी को इंसल्ट करने के लिए. भगवान राम का जो कोई भी भक्त हो, ये कोई भक्ति का तरीका नहीं है. इंसल्ट करने के लिए किया गया, ये पॉलिटिकलाइजेशन किया गया. एक गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम को पॉलिटिकलाइज करने का हक किसी को नहीं है. इसीलिए ऑन प्रोटेस्ट ममता जी ने कोई बात नहीं बोला. कोई अपसेट का बात नहीं है. हम लोग बंगाल में जो लोग रहते हैं, हम लोग बहुत पेशेंट है. ममता जी भी आज बहुत सारा पेशेंस दिखाया. लेकिन हम जो ममता जी के डिसाइपल हैं, हम मानते हैं कि बंगाल का जनता ने बीजेपी का ये धुआंधार पॉलिटिकलाइजेशन, स्पेशली भगवान राम जी को लेकर जो पॉलिटिकलाइजेशन इंटेंशनली ममता जी को इंसल्ट करने के लिए, हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर को इंसल्ट करने के लिए कर रहा है, ये इसका जवाब जनता ने बीजेपी को दे देंगे। हम कॉन्फिडेंट है जनता ने बीजेपी को इसका जवाब देंगे। हम ये प्रोटेस्ट करने के बाद
आप कह रही है कि जनता जवाब देगी भारतीय जनता पार्टी को। जय श्री राम का नारा ममता बनर्जी के लिए इंसल्ट क्यों है मैम?
सुनाई नहीं दिया, फिर बोलिए।
मैम आपने कहा कि ममता बनर्जी को इंसल्ट करने के लिए जय श्री राम का नारा लगाया गया। इफ आई हर्ड यू करेक्टली मैम, व्हाई वुड जय श्री राम नारा बी एन इंसल्ट मैम?
का प्रोग्राम में बोला जाता है, इधर उधर से चिल्लाया जाता है जय श्री राम बोल के। ये पॉलिटिकल प्रोग्राम नहीं था, ये कोई पार्टी का डिबेट भी नहीं चल रहा था। इधर प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी ने चीफ मिनिस्टर जी को इनवाइट किया, आउटराइट एक गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम था। इधर जय श्री राम बोल के चिल्लाना, इधर उधर से चिल्लाना, उसका ना बिलो द बेल्ट काम है, नियर पॉलिटिकलाइजेशन है, नियर इंडिसेंट काम है, तमीज का काम नहीं है, बदतमीज का काम है। पॉलिटिकल प्रोग्राम में ये कर जा सकता है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम में ऐसा काम नहीं कर सकता। कर चुका है, इसीलिए चीफ मिनिस्टर जी को प्रोटेस्ट करना पड़ा। उनको इनवाइट करके इसी तरह इंसल्ट करना अच्छा नहीं था, अच्छा ढंग नहीं था, अच्छा तरीका भी नहीं था। लेकिन जितना पेशेंस में उन्होंने इसको टैकल किया, उन्होंने ये भी बोला हम आभारी है प्रधानमंत्री जी का और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का, हमको इनवाइट किया गया। लेकिन प्रोटेस्ट तो करना ही है, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम को पॉलिटिकलाइज किया गया, इंसल्ट किया गया, इधर उधर से चिल्ला के उस्काया गया। प्रोटेस्ट तो करना ही है। उन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट करके बात नहीं बताया और तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, बात खत्म। लेकिन ये हम बोल सकते हैं जनता ने, बंगाल का जनता ने इसका जवाब बीजेपी को देंगे, प्रधानमंत्री जी को तब मालूम पड़ेगा। थैंक यू।
Dola Sen, TMC MP for the moment. Many thanks for joining me here on India Today. Tanushri Pandey also joins me on the show. And Tanushri Pandey, this actually is an indication of how close and how bitter this battle for Bengal is. Even a function, a national event to celebrate the 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose being politicized in the manner in which it is. Chants of Jai Shri Ram and Mamta Banerjee not speaking in protest.
Absolutely, Gaurav. In fact, what we saw at Victoria Memorial, all of us were quite, kind of taken aback, because nobody, not even a single person, was expecting that kind of a reaction from Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, when she got up to, as Paulomi said, she went to the mic and she said that this wasn't a political event, and I'm deeply upset because I feel that I have been humiliated, and that's why I have taken a decision to not speak. Jai Hind, Jai Bangla. So this is what she said, and now we have spoken to many TMC supporters to, basically understand, Gaurav, that what really went behind, this reaction from Mamata Banerjee. They told us that everywhere Mamata was walking, they were chanting, there were slogans of Jai Shri Ram. We just wanted to convey to Prime Minister Narendra Modi that this wasn't a political move, or the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's 125th birth anniversary was not, a time to show your show of strength. So that is why Mamata Didi took a decision to not speak at that event. So this is something right now which has become the talk of the town, Gaurav. I can tell you, I'm at National Library where right behind me there is a beautiful display of incredible art on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's life, his work, on Azad Hind Fauj. But right now all this art, all the beautiful events we saw has taken a back seat because politics has again taken a center stage with the kind of reaction we
we saw at Victoria Memorial, and now the talk of the town is that what really hurt Mamata Banerjee? Was she hurt by the slogans of Jai Shri Ram, or was, or is there a deep, feeling inside that she's upset with the BJP, or is this a political stunt or a political move or a gimmick? So right now it has become the talk of the town what Mamata Banerjee has done at Victoria Memorial. Gaurav, back to you.
Stay with me, Tanushree. Let's quickly cut across and listen in. My colleague Anjana Om Kashyap speaking to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's relatives.
And in that sense, they were all fighting for the same thing. Yet at the same time, my father was rather bitter that he did not get the support in his own efforts, because there was a competition essentially of means how to get independence. My father was of the opinion that it should not only be done by non-violent means, but particularly in the wake of an oncoming war, it should also be done by arms. And there was disagreement about that, but I think picking on that later on, there were people who sort of tried to really put a wedge between them. My father had his disagreements with Mahatma Gandhi, for example, but he always admired him greatly. He was the one who called him father of our nation. And I think later Mahatma Gandhi also realized that my father was a patriot of patriots, as he called him, and that in some ways he was equally engaged in fighting for India's independence. For example, prior to independence, Mahatma Gandhi was opposed to the partition of India. My father would have been opposed to that too. And sometimes I'm glad he did not live to see the terrible violence that took place in connection with the partition of the country. And later on, I think some of the sort of really secondary and minor figures in the Congress party sort of tried to also put a wedge between, say, for example, the Nehru family and my father. They had their differences, but ultimately they were the two secular leftist leaders in the Indian independence movement, and in that sense were also comrades in arms, so to say.
So the legacy war in Bengal remains our top focus story. Also, this big fight that's now taking place between the BJP and the TMC. While Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about how Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose inspired him, how he is now trying to make the India that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose dreamt about, talked about. There is now a legacy war with the Trinamool Congress. That story and lots more coming up on the other side of a very short break. Keep watching India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.